As you know, Wales have qualified for Euro 2016. I will be there in the summer with Chris Coleman and the team, and you too could have the opportunity to play in France. So who wants to? Mae pawb yn gwybod fod Cymru wedi cyrraedd Euro 2016. Mi fydda i yna yn yr haf efo Chris Coleman a'r tîm. Mae yna gyfle hefyd i chi hefyd fod yn cymryd rhan ac yn chwarae yn Ffrainc.
I want to play in France this summer.
Can I play in France this summer?
Hoffwn i chwarae yn Ffrainc haf yma.
I am going to play in France this summer.
The Football Association of Wales has launched a new five-a-side competition aimed at recreational players. Working in partnership with commercial football operators at 12 venues throughout Wales, the FAW's new Cwpan y Bobl means that most of you could not only play in a National Cup competition, but also win a money can't buy prize. The winners of the Cwpan y Bobl will be taken to Wales's base camp in Dinard in France to watch Chris Coleman's team training as they prepare for the first match of the tournament. The winners will also watch a Wales press conference in the media centre before playing a match against French opponents at the Wales team base. And after the final whistle, you will enjoy some French hospitality with your opponents to relive those key match moments. I'm sure you're wondering where your nearest qualifier is, so these guys are going to tell you.
Goal Centre Cardiff.
Soccer 6 is Newtown. Football Factory Cwmbran.
Soccer 6 is Fishguard.
Goal Centre Merthyr.
Airbus UK Chester.
Play Football Swansea.
Soccer 6 is Mold. Goal Centre Newport.
Ely Valley Sports Park.
Football Cwpan y Bobl.
Soccer 6 is Aberystwyth University.
To enter your local qualifiers at one of those venues, as a team or as an individual, just go to the website faw.org.uk/CFO. Terms and conditions do apply and are available on the FAW website. The prize for the winning team of 7 people includes all travel, meals and a hotel for one night. So this is your chance to win a money can't buy prize and enjoy a taste of France and Euro 2016.